Since the pandemic began, they've been hit, had their hair pulled, even had bodily fluids thrown at them. Hundreds and hundreds of local healthcare workers have been assaulted. West Michigan's largest hospital system is reporting a continued rise in the number of attacks. 13 on your side's Andrea Flores is here now with Spectrum Health's response. Andrea.
Juliet, it's been a few months since we last heard about an increase of assaults on nurses, doctors, and support staff, and that isn't going away at Spectrum Health hospitals. Since then, the hospital has launched a campaign calling on the community to be kind.
I'm human too, and I'm not your punching bag.
It's a conversation that Vanessa Johnson has had to have too many times while on the job as an orthopedic nurse at Spectrum Health's Blodgett Hospital.
Most of the stuff that I've seen since COVID has been more like verbal aggression and verbal abuse. But not to say that I haven't been, hit or had, bodily fluids kind of thrown at me.
West Michigan's largest hospital system saw more than 650 assaults on its workers in 2021. That's 100 more than 2020 and nearly double compared to pre-pandemic numbers.
Those could be verbal, those could be physical, those could be sexual. What we see through the reporting and respond to would be unwanted touching, where it's just absolutely inappropriate, grabbing, pulling hair.
And administrators know their nurses, doctors, and support staff might be dealing with a lot more.
This is traditionally and historically underreported.
In the last few months, Spectrum Health rolled out safety badges.
They all do the same thing. They're red, yellow, green,
which can track employees and discreetly call security. Vanessa hasn't used hers yet, and she hopes that with decreasing COVID case numbers and the hospital's Be Kind campaign, people think about the healthcare workers behind the mask.
Even if, your opinions differ from ours, or, you see eye to eye with what's going on in healthcare right now, we're still humans. I'm someone's wife. I'm someone's daughter. I deserve to be treated like that.
Violence against healthcare workers isn't just happening in COVID-19 units, but Nurse Johnson says that tension often rises when it comes to COVID-related policies at the hospital. Hospital administrators are stressing that charges will be filed when necessary, which has happened a few times in the last year. Juliet?
Andrea, thank you.